that side?
Probably,
These are not.
No, because if you look through here, here's the hollow tube, oil has to go through here.
See?
Okay, this is the push rod, oil has to go through here, and it has to go back, this is the oil return right here. Come in,
Or we
just
exercise?
go vertical, no, stay there, so you don't forget. If you look over here, this is moving? Okay, this is hollow here, and you can see it on the other side when you go there. Oil has to come through here, and right over here, everybody look at this. Take your hand away. This is the oil return. This is an oil return. It goes back into where?
The reservoir.
Okay. So we have to send oil through here. This oil has to be lubricated, and it has to return over here to the oil return lines. This is moving?
Yeah.
Okay, turn it slow so everybody can see it. Let me get another one.
Look out, be careful.
Nice and slow.
I don't see you.
They're both almost moving.
Easy, slow. I don't want anybody to get hurt. Well, get on the top now, look at the cam shift on the top, stand up on the, you guys stand up there and watch the cam shift turn, did you see it? Okay, let her up there, let her
If
sit
you see through the inside of this,
Okay, a few other people now, wait till they get up there. I want everybody to get up there. You guys get up there, I don't see any, watch your face, don't stand there. Get away from the top. See the bearings?
What it looks like.
Look at the rocket box. Can you see the rocket box opening and closing? Moving around the rocket. Over here. Somebody else turn. Somebody else give them. We turning? Somebody else. All right, who hasn't been up yet?
when you had the height gauge, it works.
Okay, who else has to get up here? Oil returns right here, oil return right here. Which one is moving?
It's the media log is moving.
This one is moving. Right here.
Two people, huh?
If you look back here, there's sensory gearbox, you see this gear turning? We will get into magnetos, left magneto, right magneto. This could be an oil pump, this is probably for the starter up here.
What goes connected in here? I see something turning right there.
Yeah, what we have is this is the left mag, right mag. This could be an oil pump, fuel pump, and we have another tap off over here. This is some kind of electrical tap off, I think. No, I don't know what that is. It's driving something. Everybody see this? You understand basically how this engine works? The L stands for light cone.
And what type of engine is this? Reciprocating?
This is a reciprocating. It's opposed, horizontal. If I took this and I moved it vertically, then it would be a V for helicopter. If you see a V, it's vertical. Here we just say it's O for opposed, so we know it's opposed. But if I took this and put it upright, it would be a V for vertical. Okay?
Is that efficient? Does that reduce the efficiency of it?
What's efficient?
Like, the horsepower, the output of the engine
powerful engine, it depends on how much weight you're gonna lift and how much RPM you need to drive that rotor system. You have to drive the main rotor, but you also take power to drive the tail rotor. That takes a lot of power to drive that. Okay? Everybody get up here? Later on, we're going to governors. Governors are up there. Okay, let's take a look at something now. Everybody was up? You all see it? Come over here. Who's,
Turbo.
Yeah.
whose is this? This is a spline shaft. And the reason for spline, this is very high horsepower. And if we just put a prop around something like this, the prop could slip. So on the prop, it equals the splines here, where the prop would have their own splines going down here. So this is, we don't have any slippage. If you look over here, this is what we call a turbocharger. Turbo, not a supercharger, a turbocharger. Can you guys see it? Come on up, come on around. Yeah. Let's go back to the lab, finish up the floor. Here's a spline shaft right here. Okay, you see this one here? Also a spline shaft. We'll talk about propellers, we'll come back and talk about this. One at a time. We'll come back again. Come back here to the front. There's another spline shaft right some airplanes have a reserve oil reservoir just